Hello and welcome back to UgosFX. This is another trade recap on the trade I took on GBPUSD yesterday, the 1st of August 2025. I traded this strategy using this strategy that I'm continuously preaching for you guys, the daily candles close trading strategy. The daily candlestick close trading strategy. What is this strategy all about? Let me walk you through. All you need to do is just go to your daily time frame. If you go to your daily time frame and observe a daily candle close below the previous day opening price, then it means that you'll be looking for. If it's a bearish candle, you'll be looking for a sell. If it's a bullish candle, if you'll be looking for a buy. Okay. So in essence, what I'm saying is that watch out for a bearish engulf candle that engulf the previous day close candle. So you look at this screen now, you're seeing two red candle. Okay, this one candle red one. Let me use number to mark it. This one now is your first day candle, candle day one. You can see the first candle. Let me do the second candle. This one now is your second candle. That's second day. Okay, once you come on your chart and notice a bearish engulf candle like this, that is the third day you'll be looking for a sell opportunity. Okay, so how do you take that sell opportunity? All you need to do is to do what? You mark out this zone. The place that candle close, you mark it out, you highlight it, and also you highlight you see this place, the opening price, you highlight it, you mark it. Okay, so you cannot trade inside this zone. So all you need to do is now wait for London section or New York section. Once London section starts or New York section starts, watch out for this on your lower time frame. Go down to 1 minute time frame. Watch out for price. In your 1 minute time frame, price will be pulling back, forming higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. Once you notice a shift in market structure towards bearish, then allow price to return back to the institutional reference point. You can use your Fibonacci tool to know the level of retracements. Once price has given you 50% retracement and price traded into any of these institutional reference points, fair value gap, order block, breaker block, then on that 1 minute time frame, as price is pulling back to this zone, as price is pulling back, once price come to that institutional reference point and you notice a bearish engulf candle, because this time around we want to sell, you notice a bearish engulf candle on the 1 minute time frame, that is where you put your sell, and your target 1:2, 1:3, depending on your risk appetite. You put your position, immediately you notice a bearish engulf candle. If price come to 50% retracement and you notice that price is currently at order block, fair value gap, and other institutional reference points, and you notice a bearish engulf candle on a 1 minute time frame, you put your sell immediately, and your stop loss will be above that structure that 1 minute time frame created. Target minimum of 1:2. My risk appetite is always 1:3. That's always my risk appetite. At times I take 1:4. So this strategy is very simple. I use this thing every day. If you want to be seeing trading opportunities in your chart every day or every two days, apply this strategy. So let's go to the chart. Let me show you the trade I took. So this is GBPUSD. You can see it on your chart. This is GU. Now, this happened yesterday, being 1st of August. Price closed in this form. You can see this bearish engulf candle close on Wednesday. And you can see all this red candle here. It closes below this one. That means it engulf this red candle. Okay, this red one. It closes below it. Okay. So yesterday being Friday, my target is to do what? is to just look for sell opportunity. Is a scalping trade, look for sell opportunity that will give you 1:2 minimum. So all I did was to go to do what? My 1 minute time frame. So then I mark out this zone. Let me highlight this zone because it's very important. Let me put it here. But this is the opening price. So I'll look for my sell opportunity inside this zone. Inside this zone. You are seeing it. That's where I look for my sell opportunity. So let's go to 1 minute, a minute time frame and see how price reacted yesterday. So this is yesterday. This was yesterday's chart on a 1 minute time frame. So this is exactly what I'm showing you. I hope you can see it. So price, you can see the black line. This is the black line that I mark on the daily. That is this line you are seeing here. So you can see how price was initially going up. And I told you London section, you have to delineate your chart. I've taught this in my previous videos, how you can set up your session breaker using London key zone. In my own case, I'm using my last Argo. If you don't have it in your chart, come to this place, the right indicator. You see indicator here. You see indicator here. You can see session breakers. You can see sessions by Los Argo. Once you click on it, you can now set it up. I've done a video on this. If you don't know how to do it, drop the comment on the comment section. I will also link the video if you don't know how to do it. So this one I used Los Argo to do it. You can see this pink shaded area is Asia section, while this zone is my London section. Let me show you the New York section. I'll pass it. It's somewhere above. Let me show you the New York section. This is my New York section. Okay. So let's go back to London section. I told this thread on during London section. So on a 1 minute time frame, I hope you can see it. You notice that price was going up on a 1 minute time frame. Starting from this zone, price was creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Immediately London session open, price closed below the previous higher low, thereby creating a lower low. You can see it here. We closed below this zone. We closed below this zone. This was our previous higher low. Price closed below it, showing that the 1 minute time frame has changed direction from bullish to bearish. And you remember we are looking for a sell because of the previous daily candle close that was bearish candle. We want to take that opportunity and sell. So all I did was just to wait for price to pull back to the institutional reference point. Okay. Now let me use my Fibonacci tool. I bring it up from this swing high here. You mark it to the swing low. This is my swing low here. So you can see my Fibonacci tool. I use color to denote it. You can see the golden shaded portion and you can see the light blue shaded portion. Okay. So middle of it, this demarcation is the 50% retracement, which is my the upper zone is my discount area for a sell. When I want to sell, I want the price to come into this discount area for me to pick up my sell. And you can also see another block residing at this zone. So immediately price comes into this zone. If you look closely, let me enlarge this thing so that you see the candlestick properly and probably shift this. Now you can see it. Now let me remove my fib tool. You have seen what I'm teaching you on this fib tool. Now look at this candlestick that formed here, this red candle. Look at it. What I'm showing you is what you pay thousands of dollars to learn, but I'm giving you this in free of charge. Look at this candlestick. Are you seeing this red candle? This is bearish engulf candle. Okay, immediately price pull back to this zone. Look at your left, there's another block here. And look at here, there's a bearish engulf candle. Immediately price pull back to this zone. That was when I pick a sell immediately. And this sell, not only me that took this sell, I also told my community to sell immediately. I picked this here at 1.32024 and there was no drawdown. It was just a sniper entry. So let me go to the chart and you can see that price delivered. You can see it, price delivered. This thing gave me about 1 is to 3.69. This thread alone. Price delivered during that London session. So let me go to my Telegram channel to show you when I made this call. So on the Telegram channel, 1st of August, you can see when I say good morning traders, sell GBPUSD. Time was 9:45 a.m. and this was my own sell entry. You can see it here. I entered this sell at 1.32024 and price started bleeding. Okay, and I give them the take profit 1, take profit 2, and the stop loss. You can see it where I highlighted here. Update your stop loss to 1.32132. TP1 1.31750. That's TP1 and TP2 is 1.31500. And I was still holding my trade. And you can see it that price delivered. This was when price was bleeding and price delivered. This one was other people's trade. So price delivered, you can see it, you see the result here. I entered this trade at 1.32024 and I exit at 1.31510, making a total of 51 pips. That is about $102. Okay. So what matters in your trading is about your risk management, And on this particular account, let me show you. On this particular account, I took about 10 to 11 trades within the week. Okay. I won about 5, I won about 7, lost about 5, and I closed with $277 within the week on this small account. You can see, okay, let me show you my risk management chart. Okay, look at it here. A total of 11 trades, total of 1.75 loss. The average risk reward ratio is 3.17. It means that anytime I lose $100, anytime I risk $100, I will make $300. So risk management is most important thing in your trading journey. And you can see my win rate here is about 54.55%. Risk management will give you what we call successful trading journey. And you can see only 3 trading days. I took within the week, I took trades in 3 days within the week. And I took 11 trades. Okay. So I am preaching risk management. So if you don't know what to allow about risk management, you can join my mentorship group because I have a mentorship class where I tutor people how to take trade, how to manage your risk, and all those things that will help you to be profitable in your forex journey. Okay. So if you find value in my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video, like it and drop your comment. I also have a free Telegram channel where I drop free signals. These signals I drop it in my free Telegram channel every time I see a trade setup. So see you guys in my next episode. Cheers.